Attention, Billy Blazes. Meteors are approaching the Earth. Mobilize the team.
We need your help. Come on.
Now you can join the Rescue Heroes team right on your computer.
There's fires in the outback. Quick, grab the water cannon. Good job.
Yes.
But wait, the meteor triggered an avalanche. We need to snowboard in to rescue this skier. Great work. We couldn't have done it without you.
Nice job.
The Rescue Heroes Meteor Madness computer game makes you a hero. Rated E for everyone.
From a world of incredible spectacle, at the edge of the Alaskan frontier.
Let's go!
From a place where the unexpected and the extraordinary happen every day.
Come on, we catch the end of the race.
Comes the unforgettable legend of Balto.
But you can call him Idiot.
Do you honestly think any musher would ever put you on his team?
He was an outsider who wasn't like the others.
Balto, wait. Balto!
Until a town needed a miracle.
Rosie, we can get that medicine through.
You said what?
Come on, mush!
He's going into freezing coldness to find a dog he doesn't like to bring medicine back to a town that doesn't like him.
In a test of will, he challenged the impossible.
You'll never get home. I'll make sure of that.
In a race against time,
Balto, slow down.
Balto is their only hope.
They've missed their second checkpoint.
Universal Pictures and Amblin Entertainment invite you to join Steel,
Touch that box, and I'll tear you apart.
Caltag and Star,
Hey, this is gonna be good.
Muck and Luck,
Of course we were. We were in the water. We were moving. We were swimming.
and Boris
Wow! I was so scared. I got equal bumps.
on an incredible adventure into the heart of a hero.
Not dog, not wolf. You're a hero.
Balto.
Oh, no! Who let the dog in?
Everyone's favorite dog, Beethoven, is back to back. One's a pooch in need of social graces. The other's a dog living high on the hog. When their worlds collide, everything goes to the dogs.
He just picked up my napkin. He folded your napkin.
That's weird.
He's having an anxiety attack.
Beethoven's back for double the trouble in the movie that will make the whole family howl. Judge Reinhold and Julia Sweeney are back for more in Beethoven's Fourth. Own it today on video and DVD. Rated G.
Are you ready for the newest adventure in the biggest, most successful feature-length children's video franchise ever? Universal Studios Home Video proudly presents The Land Before Time 7, Search for the Stone of Cold Fire, with the same wonderful characters everyone knows and loves. Littlefoot,
If we found that stone of cold fire, everyone could see it for themselves.
Petrie and Sarah,
Sarah, you saved me. Yeah, so no big deal.
Ducky and Spike. There's fun.
Everybody's got a little dark side to 'em. Everyone has got a little light.
And excitement.
Where are we? I'm not
not sure.
that kids love time and time again.
Beyond the mysterious beyond. Trust in your own imagination. You are a part of the creation of all that lies beyond.
Look for The Land Before Time 7. Search for the Stone of Cold Fire. Coming this holiday season.
There it is.
Your kids' favorite characters are back. Join Littlefoot, Sarah, Petrie, Spike, and Ducky in their greatest adventure. Universal Studios Home Video is proud to present The Land Before Time, The Big Freeze.
That looked like fun.
Featuring the dazzling animation your family has come to expect from the Land Before Time films.
Everyone wants to be respected.
With fun new songs.
Everyone wants to be liked.
This holiday season, everyone will want to bring home the enchantment of Littlefoot and his friends. The Land Before Time, The Big Freeze.
Fun, fun, fun!
The adventure continues.